Hey guys, how are you today? It's Crypto A. So let's see how Bitcoin was doing for the past 2 days, right? If you follow our live YouTube video, you can see that we were shorting in this area of range. The reason we are putting a short here is after a crazy rally like this, the price kind of forming a rising wedge, right? People they are confused about this is whether if this is a bull flag or it's not, right? This is a rising wedge, right? How we can identify a rising wedge? So we can see the price actually it's kind of shrinking, right? This is a weakened momentum, right? And also, we don't want to rely any single indicators, right? We always want to find our confluences, right? So another confluence we are observing here is we actually have our golden pocket right here, right? So this golden pocket, we are drawing this fib, from 25k to the local bottom here. So this is a golden pocket here. All right, that's another confluence we are seeing. Another thing you should be aware of is that when we change the Bitcoin to the log view, so we can see there's a red, downward trend line, right? We have a declining trend line, right? So the price, they are hitting the trend line. Let's see here, right? The price, they are actually hitting the trend line in the log view, right? Then it seems like the price was rejected right here, right? So this is confluence number 3, right? So we made our call. We said this is a good place to make a short here. So we are shorting here, and we put our target profit number 1 at 0.5 level. The 25k fib, the 0.5 fib level, right? And also we put our target profit number 2 at the 19k, right? Why 19k? This is another golden pocket right here. And also, if we want to pull our large scale volume profile, we can see this is a very large volume node, right? So the POC actually confluence with our golden pocket right here. And if we go back to the Elliott wave theory, right? This could be the correction wave of this crazy 1, 2, 3, right? Let's see our Elliott wave, right? So this could be the wave 1, this could be the wave 2, and this crazy rally can be the wave 3. So that should have a correction wave 4, right? So if after the wave 4, we should have trending higher for sure. But what happened after the price hit this level, we're gonna see. But right now, it seems like we are going to form a wave 4. Always there wave 4 always have it's a tricky one, right? You already have the ABC, even ABCDE. Right now, what we are seeing here is whether this wave 4 gonna playing out, right? So we're gonna see what happening right here, right? So if we pull a mini fib, right? Just from here to here, we can see the price actually right now hitting the golden pocket as well. And also we know the price has been ranging in this area for a long time, right? It finally breaks through. Right now, I think it's just the retest this area. And our wave 4 is still invalid until the price actually breaks through this point. But right now, we don't see that, right? We are seeing our market cipher, and the RSI has been correlated to one red line, and the money flow actually decreasing. What usually the price does is it's usually gonna coming down a little bit more, right? So this pattern tells us we probably not gonna see the price break through this point to even higher because I've been seeing, people are saying, this is the end of wave 4, because this could be the A, B, C. So this is the start of wave 5. Personally, I don't see that coming. Until the price breaking through the certain structure. But right now, we don't see the price breaking through this golden pocket. And when we see our market cipher, we're seeing weakness. We're seeing the RSI, it's still, bearish as hell. We're seeing the money inflow has been decreasing. I think the most likely going to happen is a momentum going to drop, and the money outflow, which is a red money outflow, going to be breaking out. So if you are not shorting from here, probably this is a place to put another short. But when you already putting a short like what we did in the past 2 days, I think right now you just wait and see, right? You don't want to put more amount of money into your position, because that's gonna jeopardize about your shorting price, right? That's a really good price to put a short. But right now, if you put here, your average shorting position probably gonna be here. So I don't think that's a good idea to put more short here. But I mean, if you are not shorting here, let's gonna see what's gonna happen next. I think this is a good place to put another short. And we are still waiting the price to hit a target profit 1 and eventually target profit 2. Hopefully this can be done before the weekend, right? So we're gonna monitor really close about the weekly close, right? Because we have a crazy pump, right? We have really good green candles, right? I mean, this weekly candle close, it's kind of can determine what's gonna happen next week, right? We're gonna monitor really close about this weekly close. Personally, I think at least it can hit target profit 1. Whether it's gonna hit target profit 2, we're gonna watch and see. But right now, I'm seeing weakness, right? All right. Also another confluence is, this is a kind of a in the lower time frame, right? If we change this to the higher time frame, let me close this, right? When we see this to the higher time frame, we can see, this is a week down, another week down. If we, link the week down, we can see the price actually hitting this area, right? That makes sense too. So this is a rising channel, and the price finally breaks through, and we are retesting here. So what gonna happen next is probably gonna coming back down a little bit more, right? Also, we have been seeing the dollar, the DXY. We were talking, the dollar could be bounced back right here in this level. It did, right? It did a little bit, but right now we are breaking through this level. We are coming back to here, right? We are drawing the red line here, because this is the bottom, and our market cipher has already been forming, a reversal pattern, right? Since our RSI has been low for a bit while of time, and the momentum actually is trending up, right? We have a low, we have a higher low, and the price actually is trending lower, right? This is a reversal pattern. This is a divergence, right? So I do believe the dollar, probably can trend up a little bit higher, at least to here, to 103, 105. Then probably we're gonna coming back a little bit lower. Probably we're gonna something like this, or probably we're gonna break through this level to coming back higher, right? That's a DSY we are looking. The SP 500 has been following this trend line pretty well for a while, and we were rejected in the last 2 days, right? Right now, I'm seeing that we're probably gonna still trending lower, right? That is the same scenario as the DXY, when DXY trending up higher, so the SP 500 should be trending up lower, right? So that's a thing we're gonna see for the next 1 or 2 weeks, right? At least after we finish the wave fall, right? I mean, when we feel the wave fall, I do believe that the price is gonna be bringing us to a higher price, probably at the 23K, even 25K. But I mean, we will update once we finish the wave fall. But right now, I don't see the price is gonna keep ranging up higher. So we're gonna check our liquidation level, right? We can see in the last 2 days, the price trending up to 21.650, right? Then the price gonna reverse here, but we didn't really punish these shorts, right? The short liquidation, we have a really sick short liquidation level, which is at 21.7, right? And this line has been yellow for a long time, and we didn't punish these shorts last time, for the market makers. That's a bit of weird, because the price actually reached to this level and coming back down again. We does have a possibility that the price gonna be ranging up here again, right? To finally, liquidate all these shorts. We're gonna liquidate them, right? Then we're probably gonna coming back down again. But I mean, since the price already breaking through this trend, I think the most likely what we're gonna have is we're gonna start trending lower from here. But we're gonna monitor dollar, we're gonna monitor the SP 500. We're gonna see what price gonna bring us. Hopefully, it at least can give us target profit 1 and even target profit 2. When price does something like this, we're gonna act quick, because when wave 2 is kind of tricky, we have the zigzag, it's gonna take a long time. The wave 4 is already gonna be a sharp one, right? So we're gonna watch to see if the price is gonna be dropping back down to here, which give us a sharp one. So probably gonna give us a V-shaped turn, right? We probably won't see something like this. We're gonna see a V-shaped turn, give us a wave 5, right? We really don't see a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the wave 3. Are we gonna see a 1, 2, 3, 4 in wave 5 or another, crazy rally like wave 3? We don't know, right? But I think it's a great place to put a short here. And since we're already putting a short right here, we are not adding our position. I mean, right now, I think there's another opportunity to add a short here, right? To see whether this can play out, right? I think that here probably is another good place to put a long here. But we're gonna see how price gonna react when price reach to this area, right? So yeah, I mean, that's it for today. I mean, we will update once the wave 4, the play out or the doesn't play out. We will update. All right. Thank you. Have a good day, guys.